I'm at tomorrow. If you saw my last video, I'm not going to be doing a Twitch video tomorrow at 5 p.m. Mountain Time. So let's get to some burps. That's what I'm telling you. Oh God, let's stand. Oh. Oh God. Fuck. Oh God. Oh. Oh God. Oh God, I'm gonna puke. Okay, I'm done because I have hiccups now. I usually make them 2 minutes, but I can't. I have bad hiccups. I'm now showing you how you get rid of hiccups. I put you 2 fingers and stab them up your throat and gag yourself. Because holding your breath doesn't work or shit, so. Woo! I still have them. They're bad. Ah! Let's do it one more time. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, goodbye, peace out.